Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use and download HelloTalk on your iPhone. So all you need to do is open your Apple Store and then search for HelloTalk and then press on get. It will start downloading. After it is downloaded, you press on open and then it will ask you to sign in with Apple, sign in with Google or with Facebook. We choose with Google. Continue. We choose the account to sign in with. Continue. And then it will ask you where are you from. Choose the language that you are willing to learn, for example, Chinese. Done. Next. It will ask you about your name, your birthday, your gender. Next. And then it will ask you to add a profile picture. If you don't need to add a profile picture, just press on start learning. And you can skip this one. And that's it. Now you can start learning and communicating with people that speak the language that you want to learn. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.